Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use keyframes in VITA. Keyframes are powerful tools that let you animate elements in your videos, bringing them to life. They mark specific points in time where you want a change to occur, like an object moving across the screen or fading in. This technique is fundamental for creating dynamic and engaging visual stories, giving you precise control over every detail of your video's motion. To begin, select the video clip or image you want to animate within your VITA project. Next, locate and tap the keyframe icon, which often looks like a small diamond. This action places your very first keyframe at the current playhead position. Now, move the playhead to your desired starting point and adjust a property, such as the element's position or size, to set its initial state for the animation. Once your first keyframe is set, move the playhead to a new point further along your timeline. At this new position, simply modify the same property again. For example, change the element's position to a new spot on the screen. VITA will then automatically generate a smooth animation, transitioning the element from its first keyframe state to its second. You can repeat this process to create complex movements. For more refined animations, you can adjust the timing of your keyframes by simply dragging them closer or further apart on the timeline. VITA also offers interpolation curves, allowing you to control the speed and flow of your animation, making movements smoother or more abrupt. Don't hesitate to combine keyframes for different properties, like position and opacity, to create truly unique and professional-looking effects in your videos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.